Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here, we focus on sharing practical video editing tips and ideas. Whether you are a beginner or a creator looking for efficiency, you will find the knowledge you need here. In today's lesson, we will explore two vital parts of video production: visual composition and information delivery. Many creators face this problem. Filmed in landscape, but need to post to TikTok or Shorts in vertical mode, resulting in ugly black bars. Or the content is great, but viewers leave due to a lack of beautiful titles and captions. This video will solve these problems completely. First, let's solve the video ratio problem. This determines the first impression of viewers on different devices. In CapCut, there is a basic rule. The first asset determines the project ratio. When you start a new project and import the first clip, if the resolution is 1920 x 1080, the project canvas will default to 16.9. The canvas matches the ratio of the original video you imported. If you need to change this setting, such as making a 9:16 vertical video from a horizontal clip, you need to do it manually. Many beginners can't find the ratio button because a video clip is currently selected. Please check the toolbar at the bottom. If you see split or speed options, you are in clip editing mode. Please click the back arrow on the bottom left or click a blank area in the preview to deselect any material. The toolbar should return to its basic initial state, showing edit, audio, text menus. Now, swipe right and click the ratio icon. In the menu, you will see various preset ratios. The first number is width, the second is height. 9:16. Mainstream short video ratio for full-screen mobile viewing. 16.9, traditional long video ratio for computers and TV. The preview will update immediately after you choose. When you force a horizontal video to 9:16, the original content stays in the center, but large black areas appear at the top and bottom. This looks boring and unprofessional. To fix this, go back to the main toolbar and find Canvas. CapCut offers three solutions: color, image, and blur. Click Color for a color palette. You can choose preset colors, open the color wheel for custom colors, or use the color picker to match a color from your video. The black areas will be filled with your chosen color. This is perfect for minimalist styles. If solid colors are too simple, click Image. There are many high-quality textures, gradients, and designs here. You can even click the image icon to import your own custom picture. This adds an instant sense of design. Blur is the most frequently used feature by creators. Click Blur to see different levels of blur options. The system automatically clones your original video, scales it to fill the background, and applies a Gaussian blur. The blurred background is dynamic. When your main video changes, the background light and color flow with it. This fills the black bars and keeps the frame rich, while ensuring the background doesn't distract the viewers from the clear subject in the center. Now, let's move to the text system for efficient information delivery. Whether it's titles or descriptions, text is essential to a video. Click Text in the main toolbar, then click Add Text. We enter a text, save. The text you just entered will appear in the center of the screen. Tap the text on the timeline. 4 buttons will appear around the text box. Mastering them will greatly improve efficiency. Top left deletes the current text box. Top right, pencil icon, enters keyboard mode to edit content. Bottom left duplicate copies an identical text at the original position. Bottom right, scale, rotate icon. Drag it to scale or rotate the text. You can also use 2 fingers to pinch or rotate in the preview. Return to the main menu. Double tap to edit quickly. The toolbar provides rich visual design options. Swipe up on the small horizontal line to see more adjustment content. The first is text templates. CapCut has preset fonts, colors, and animations. Tap to use them directly. If you don't want to use presets, you can adjust them yourself. Font and style. Change fonts, adjust color, stroke, shadow, etc. Spacing. Adjust character to line spacing and alignment. Swipe up on the middle horizontal line to see more options. Effects. Generate stylized fonts with one click. Tap again to cancel the application, or tap the cancel icon at the beginning. Making text move is the key to looking like a pro. Click Animation in the toolbar, which includes 3 settings. In determines how text appears. Adding it helps guide the viewer's eyes. Out determines how text disappears. Loop keeps the text dynamic while it stays on screen. Duration control is a detail many tutorials miss. Look at the duration bar below. After setting an in animation, a blue arrow appears on the bar. After setting an out animation, a red arrow appears at the end. The left blue arrow represents the in animation duration. The right red arrow represents the out animation duration. You don't need to go back to the menu. Just drag these arrows on the track to change the animation speed. Longer arrows mean slower animations. Shorter ones mean snappier ones. If your video has a lot of talking, typing subtitles manually is a huge task. The Auto Captions feature uses AI to automate this. Under the Text menu, select Auto Captions. Choose the range, usually all or video clips. Set the language to auto detection and click Start. You can also choose a preset caption style. The system will analyze the audio and generate captions perfectly synced to the timeline. While AI is very accurate, errors may occur with names or terms. Editing captions one by one is very inefficient. We recommend using Batch Edit. Select any caption on the timeline and click Batch Edit in the toolbar. The interface will switch to a vertical text list. In this list, you can quickly browse it like you would edit a document and directly click to correct any typos you find. If a sentence is too long, click Enter to split it into 2. To merge short captions, just hit the Delete key. Click the Multi-Select button on the bottom left. You can check multiple unwanted captions or select all, then click Delete at the bottom. This is much faster than deleting them one by one. Through this video, we have detailed the logic of video ratios, techniques for beautifying the canvas, and the complete text system from design to animation. These are the most frequently used tools in video production. Mastering them will greatly improve your editing efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the like button and turn on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss more editing tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will check and reply to your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.